Hey guys, this is Serena. Today we are going to be doing a 15-minute full body stretch. So if you are ready, go ahead, grab a mat, and let's get started.
Let's begin at the back of our mats in a child's pose, and we're going to hold this for 30 seconds. Let's begin to come up into a tabletop position. Ensure that everything is aligned, and we're going to take 5 rolls to the right, and then we're going to do 5 rolls to the left as well. And tuck your toes and push your hips back into our first downward dog. You may feel a little bit of tension here, however this is completely normal. Go ahead and walk that downward dog out. When you are done, extend your left leg all the way up and then stack those hips, bring it forward and come into your first pigeon pose. This is a great hip opening stretch. It's also said to be great for sciatica or any kind of lower back pain. We're going to hold this for about 30 seconds. Begin to come forward to your forearms. We're going to hold this for 30 seconds before extending all the way. At this point, we are going to go all the way forward into our pigeon pose. However, if the pigeon pose while on your forearms felt deep enough, please stay there. We don't want to risk any injury. However, if you do feel like you can go a little bit deeper, go ahead and come all the way forward for another 30 seconds. Find your way out of pigeon pose and swing around your right leg, stack it over your left leg, and let's go ahead and hold this for another 30 seconds. Now to deepen this stretch, go ahead, extend your hands forward, just right in front of your knees. Adjust your spine, look forward or down, and again, another 30 seconds. Going to challenge ourselves a little bit. Extend those arms a little further to the edge of your mat and hold for one more set of 30 seconds on this leg. find your way out of this pose, go ahead, swing your right leg back and push up into downward dog. You should definitely feel a difference here. Now we are going to extend our right leg now, stack those hips, and again, bring it forward to pigeon pose. We are going to hold this pose for 30 seconds. This time we are going to deepen this stretch by coming onto our forearms and again holding for 30 seconds. If this is a deep enough stretch for you, please stay here. However, if you do want more of a challenge or looking to go a little bit deeper, go ahead and bring your forehead to the mat and extend for one more set of 30 seconds. As we come out of this pigeon pose, we are going to bring our left leg this time over and have it stack on top of our right leg, and we're going to hold this position. For a deeper stretch, just go ahead and bring those hands right in front of you and hold. If you are wanting to take that stretch a bit deeper, go ahead and extend to the edge or past your mat. Ourselves out of that stretch, push back up into downward dog. That stretch should feel absolutely amazing. Go ahead, walk it out. We're going to prepare for our next pose. Once you are done walking that out, go ahead and begin walking your feet to your hands. And of course, once you are centered and once you are in form, we are going to hold. To seated, cross those ankles and bring it back to a tabletop position. As we did in the beginning, we are going to take 5 rolls to the right and 5 to the left to prepare us for our cat stretch. When When you are done, come onto your forearms, adjust as needed, and then straighten out your hands. The goal here is to have your chest touching the ground. This is a great back opener. It's great for the neck, for the shoulders, and again, the back. We're going to hold this for a little bit as well. Come on out of that cat stretch. Lengthen your right hand and tuck it underneath your left shoulder. Come back into a cat stretch and feel that shoulder stretch as we hold. Stretch back to center, stretch it out, and now we are going to do our left arm, extend, bring it under, and again stretch for another hold. Bring that back to the middle, stretch it out, and now let's go ahead and round our back into a child's pose. Open up the knees a little bit and come down to center one more time for a hold. Perfect. We are going to bring ourselves out of that child's pose by bringing our knees together, and we are going to bring our right leg over our left to begin our spinal twist. That twist, we're going to do the opposite side, bring the left leg over right, and again prepare for that spinal twist. Spinal twist, come to the middle of your mat. We're going to take our butterfly pose, as our last stretch for the day, and we are going to do a head roll as well.
Alright guys, that was our full body stretch. I hope you're feeling a lot more limber, a lot more loose. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, and also comment down below. Let me know what you would like me to work on next week. Until next time, bye.